Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Hoorola digital camera. In today's content-driven world, having a versatile, high-quality camera is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Whether for travel, vlogging, family moments, or personal creative projects, users look for a device that can deliver outstanding visual performance without requiring extensive technical knowledge. This 5K digital camera rises impressively to that challenge with its cutting-edge features, ensuring that anyone from complete beginners to aspiring creators can capture stunning visuals with ease. The centerpiece of this camera is its 5K Ultra HD recording capability paired with an advanced CMOS sensor. This powerful combination enables users to produce breathtakingly sharp videos and 80-megapixel high-resolution photographs, preserving important memories in exceptional clarity. The true-to-life color reproduction ensures that every image appears vivid and natural, eliminating the washed-out or overly saturated look that many low-tier devices produce. This makes it suitable not only for casual shooting but also for professional-looking results, even for those with minimal experience. One of the standout features of this digital camera is its dual-screen design, which allows users to transition seamlessly between the front and rear displays. This makes selfies, group shots, and vlogging angles effortless, eliminating guesswork while recording yourself. Additionally, its fast autofocus technology and built-in flash guarantee that portraits, moving subjects, and low-light scenes remain crisp and well-lit. The camera's responsive focusing system ensures sharp results, enhancing the shooting experience for vloggers and everyday users who value speed and convenience. Creative expression is further extended with its 18x zoom lens and an array of shooting modes including slow motion, time-lapse, loop recording, filters, ISO adjustments, and white balance control. Whether capturing distant mountains or intricate close-up details, the camera provides tools that elevate storytelling and visual dynamics. It can also function as a webcam via USB, ideal for streaming, online meetings, or live broadcasts. Completing its appeal is its lightweight, portable design and a comprehensive accessory kit. Included are 2 rechargeable batteries, a 32GB SD card, Type-C cable, storage bag, and lanyard, ensuring users can start shooting right out of the box. This thoughtful package makes it a highly desirable gift for teens, adults, beginners, and vloggers alike. With strong customer support and the ability to record while charging, it is a camera built for extended adventures and uninterrupted creativity. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.